Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making pancake kebabs. The ingredients that we're going to need today are strawberries, blueberries, and also your pre-made pancakes, some skewers, and a small heart cookie cutter. The first thing you want to do is wash your fruit off thoroughly. So I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut our strawberries. I'm going to make a cut into it to make a V shape. And that makes your heart. So we're going to do that to our strawberries. All your strawberries should look like hearts. Now we're going to move on to our pancakes. All you want to do is take your heart cookie cutter. I'm going to press down and make your heart shapes. And we're just going to pop them out of the pancake. And all you want to do is repeat the process on the other pancakes. Okay guys, once you have your pancakes cut out into hearts, we're just going to take a skewer, or you can also get the longer kebab sticks. And all I'm going to do now is slide a piece of fruit on. Once you place the piece of fruit on, you can go ahead and slide your pancake onto it. And guys, you can place the fruit and the pancakes onto the stick however you would like it. Okay guys, so here are our pancake kebabs, a nice treat for breakfast. You can also add some syrup to the side. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.